So here is a full walkthrough of Dar El Ouedghiri. It is in Fez, Morocco. Here's a view of the street before we walk in. Sorry for the portrait mode, but you'll get it in a second. Because this place is a lot of tall. Front desk, I've never seen anyone here. Here's the family kitchen. It's quite good food. You gotta book it ahead though. But highly suggest dinner here. And we go up a ton of steps. Hopefully the motion lights turn on. And there we go. Tight turns. Right to the main level. Very pleasant sitting room. Nice tall ceilings. It's my room there, but it's all kinds of mess, so I'm not taking it in there yet. This room is empty, so it'll be okay to come in. I don't know what's up with that, but I'm sure you can turn it off. Solid ensuite. Now up to the rooftop. I've not been in here, but in case you would like to take a look. Room 6, apparently not occupied either. I was in here briefly yesterday. It's a very pleasant, space for 4, I guess. Overlooking the main gathering space. And the ensuite. Anyway, this place is excellent value for money. I'm staying here in a single for about $27 a night. Includes breakfast. Here's a very nice roof deck with some fantastic views of Fez. Right at dusk. Perfect time for a video. Shisha if you want. And up to the breakfast nook. If your nook faces a castle.